In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Snapchat Pixel on your Shopify store using a convenient app, ensuring smooth conversion tracking. This method is highly recommended as it streamlines the integration process, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. It's a great way to maintain robust tracking without the need for any complex code edits. First up, the easiest and most efficient method involves using a Shopify app. By opting for an app, you save yourself time and effort, as many of these applications come with built-in event tracking, providing a seamless solution for handling the intricacies of your digital advertising. Let's talk about some well-regarded options that can facilitate this process for you. There's SnapX, which not only helps with installing the Snapchat Pixel, but also integrates with Facebook Pixel. This app includes tracking functionalities for page views, add-to-cart actions, checkouts, and purchases, basically covering all bases for your conversion tracking needs. Another option is Octopixels, which offers both the Pixel setup and a conversion API, supporting multiple Snapchat pixels for comprehensive event coverage. Finally, Omega allows for multi-Snapchat pixel management and combines Pixel with server-side tracking. This means it uses the Conversion API to help minimize data loss that can occur due to ad blockers or privacy settings, ensuring more reliable analytics. Let's dive into how you can effectively use one of these apps. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel and click on the Apps section. From there, navigate to the Shopify App Store. Once you're in the store, simply search for Snapchat Pixel or choose one of the apps we just discussed. Clicking on your preferred app will lead you through the installation process, where you'll need to grant the necessary permissions for it to operate efficiently on your store. After the app is installed, open it, and you'll be prompted to enter your Snapchat Pixel ID, which you can retrieve from your Snapchat Ads Manager. Once your Pixel ID is in place, you'll be asked to choose which conversion events you'd like to track. These could include events like page view, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. Most apps offer simple toggles, letting you easily enable or disable these events according to your tracking priorities. Once your settings are configured, don't forget to save or publish them. It's crucial to ensure everything is working correctly, so take a moment to test your setup by placing a test order or use the Snapchat Pixel Helper to verify that your events are being captured accurately as they occur. For an added layer of reliability in your data collection, check whether your chosen app also offers Snapchat's Conversion API or server-side tracking options. Enabling these features will provide you with more dependable tracking data, avoiding discrepancies that might creep in due to ad blockers or privacy restrictions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up the Snapchat Pixel for enhanced conversion tracking on your Shopify store. This setup will not only provide you with vital customer behavior insights, but also help optimize your advertising strategy for better business outcomes.